I'm stuck on how to develop this paragraph. How should I proceed? Oh, yes, that scaffolding is exactly what I needed. Thank you.
You can pause the video to examine the steps more closely. The session begins with the user inputting a thesis statement. They argue that AI is useful for children because it adapts to learning needs and promotes engagement. The AI analyzes the thesis and breaks it down into two main arguments to structure the upcoming body paragraphs. For the first body paragraph, the AI provides an example topic sentence. The user adapts this, changing generic terms to more specific ones like elementary students. Next, the user drafts the explanation and evidence. They take the AI's suggestion about AI adjusting difficulty levels, but refine the wording to match their personal style. A transition sentence is created to move smoothly from the topic of personalized learning to the next point about engagement. Moving to the second argument, the user writes a topic sentence about engagement. They paraphrase the AI's example using stronger vocabulary like augment. The user adds evidence regarding gamification. They modify the suggestion to specifically mention rewarding primary students with badges. The user drafts a final transition sentence to lead the reader toward the conclusion, summarizing the value of AI in education. For the final impression, the user chooses to focus on the future role of teachers. They write that educators should continue exploring these tools to create meaningful experiences. The AI compiles the separate steps into a full, cohesive essay. The user reviews the final text to ensure the flow and grammar are correct. Satisfied with the result, the user clicks the share button and copies the link to the conversation to save or submit their work.